Hey there, if you own a Samsung Smart TV and want to unlock free live TV channels with just an antenna, stick around because I'll walk you through it step by step. First, grab your antenna and plug it into the back of your Samsung TV. You're looking for the coaxial input, usually labeled ANT-in, or sometimes cable, ANT. Make sure you twist it on nice and snug. A loose cable can easily mean missing out on channels. Next, pick up your remote. If you see a source button, hit that and select TV. No source button? No worries, just press the home button. Navigate with the arrow keys over to source, then pick TV from the options. Now, press home one more time. Go to settings. Depending on your model, it'll either be on the left or the right of your screen. Once you're in settings, scroll down and find broadcasting. Inside broadcasting, you'll see something called auto program. Click it, and then select start when it pops up. Now, it's time to choose your signal type. If you're using an antenna, pick air. If you've got cable, pick cable. But since we're going for free antenna TV, go ahead and select air, hit enter, and the scan will begin. Your TV will now scan for all the local channels it can find. This part usually takes a minute or two. For the best results, place your antenna near a window and away from thick walls or anything metal. Trust me, it helps. Once the scan finishes, your Samsung TV will tell you how many channels it found. You'll see your local live channels right away, plus a bunch of Samsung TV Plus channels, which are free, internet-based extras that come with your TV. If you're not thrilled with the number of local channels, just move your antenna to a different spot and scan again. When you're done, press close, and you'll be taken straight to live TV. Use the channel up and down buttons on your remote to flip through your new free channels. Some Samsung remotes have a guide button too. Tap it for a full channel guide, complete with schedules and program details, and that's it. If this quick guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.